India. Not very long ago, India was seen as a poor and developing nation in the world order, by the likes of people looking for archetypes. But this has changed drastically in the last decade, as India rose to the challenge of repositioning itself in the global world order as a strong emerging nation of opportunities.
In the last 10 years, India has taken 300 million people out of poverty. That's not just a social good, that 300 million people, the size of the US, is not poor anymore, but that there is consumption, that there is demand.
As Amrit Kaal unfolds, India's GDP is expected to grow at a pace of 6.3% annually. With a projected addition of roughly $400 billion to its GDP every year, India shall become approximately $7.5 trillion GDP by 2031. With this scale of expansion realized, India will be the third largest economy only next to the US and China. This would also be accompanied with a steep rise in overall market capitalization from current $3.4 trillion to roughly $11 trillion with an average of 11% annual growth, making India the third largest stock market across the globe.
This is going to be India's decade.
From a $3 trillion economy, India will grow to become a $40 trillion economy by 2047.
With all the magic that has happening, and about to happen in terms of economic reforms, India is becoming more and more lucrative in the eyes of investors, presenting a unique opportunity of wealth creation in the upcoming decade. Looking at Forbes' billionaire list for the year 2022 itself, India has registered around 166 billionaires and is third in the world in terms of number of billionaires. Not only this, but India is second in the world only after China in terms of the number of millionaires and billionaires being created. We will talk more about the phases of growth to understand this better and also look at the similar story of China's growth over the last 4 decades and wealth creation event in our next video. Please like, subscribe and spread the love for us to continue on the video series.